So, there are things in this world which tend to just frustrate me. Just a little bit. And one of them has definitely got to be this. So you're just sitting there when a person next to you just, decides to sneeze. But of course, it's not just any old sneeze, is it? No. It's quite a suspenseful sneeze, if you will, to say the least. Okay, so it tends to go a little something like this. Well, guys, I think I'm coming down with a sneeze. So just, whoa, if you'll brace yourselves, it's about to blow. It's about to explode. I'm about to raise the roof. Oh. It's come. Oh. Sorry if I disturbed anyone around me, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. Sweet cheeks, you didn't disturb anyone. You've just frustrated everyone around you is all you have done. Okay? That's all you've done. You've just pissed me off. Okay, bye-bye. How dare you just build up a sneeze like that and just, not finish it? You can't just do that to me. Okay, bye. So, the moral of the story is, please just don't brew up any more sneezes, please, because you will end up having no friends. You won't have any, just like that. Just be alone for the rest of your life, sneezing by yourself, okay? Whatever floats your boat. Goodbye, farewell, so long, ciao.